how to find someone on Instagram using their phone number. So let's get started. So if you want to find someone on Instagram by using their phone number, then what you have to do is first of all make sure that you have saved them in your contacts. So if you haven't saved them in your contacts, then you can't find them. So what you have to do is just simply go ahead and save them in your contacts. And after saving them, now what you can do is just open up your Instagram. After opening up your Instagram, just tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on your three bar icon, now what you can do is just tap on this option which is discover people, which is on the bottom. And after tapping on that, now what you have to do is you have to simply allow your contacts option, so it will ask permission to access your contacts. So what you can do is just simply allow it, and after allowing that option, now you can find the person that you have saved in your contacts. So the accounts that have been saved in your contacts will be displayed over here. So from here you can just simply follow them, invite them, and watch their profile. So this was the first step, and the second step is to just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right. And after tapping on that, now you have to tap on the settings and privacy option. After tapping on settings and privacy, just scroll down, and after scrolling down here you should find the option which is follow and invite friends. Just tap on follow and invite friends, and after tapping on follow and invite friends, now you can invite your friends through these options. So now what you have to do is just simply open up your WhatsApp and then save your friend in your WhatsApp. So you have basically saved a friend in your contacts, so you can find your friends in your WhatsApp through your contact. So just save them through that, and after saving them, and now you can just invite them to your Instagram by using this option which is invite friends by WhatsApp. So just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you can simply open up your WhatsApp and then select a friend that you would like to invite. So these were the options that you can use to invite friends through phone number. So that's it guys, this is how to find someone on Instagram by using their phone number. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.